What's up everybody, it's Mark and we're back again with another review. Today we're diving into the Sony 75-inch Class X77L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV, model KD75X77L. We're gonna break down its features, performance, and most importantly, figure out if this giant screen is worth your hard-earned cash. Now this Sony TV isn't just big on size, it's also rocking some impressive ratings. With an average of 4.8 out of 5 stars from 120 reviews, people seem to be loving this thing. But you know me, we gotta put it through its paces and see what's what. And the best part? It's available for just $799.99. That's a whole lot of TV for the price. But is it the right TV for you? Let's find out. Alright, let's kick things off with the star of the show, the picture quality. And let me tell you, this Sony doesn't disappoint. We're talking about a 75-inch 4K UHD display, which translates to a resolution of 3,840 by 2,160 pixels. That's 4 times the detail of your standard full HD TV. Watching my favorite nature documentary, I was blown away by the clarity and detail. Close-ups on animals were incredible, you could see every single hair and whisker. But it's not just about the resolution. Sony's X1 processor does some serious heavy lifting here, optimizing color, contrast, and motion clarity in real time. I threw everything from fast-paced action movies to dimly lit thriller shows at this TV, and it handled everything like a champ. No motion blur, no weird artifacts, just a smooth and immersive viewing experience. Speaking of immersion, the X77L also boasts HDR support, meaning it can display a wider range of colors and brightness levels. This translates to more realistic images with greater depth and detail, especially in those really bright highlights and super dark shadows. Trust me, once you go HDR, it's hard to go back. Now I know what you're thinking. All this tech jargon sounds great, but what does it actually look like in person? Well, I'm happy to report that this TV delivers on its promises. Colors are vibrant and accurate, blacks are deep and inky, and the overall picture is just stunning. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or just binging your favorite shows, the Sony X77L offers a truly immersive and enjoyable viewing experience. It's the kind of picture quality that makes you want to ditch your phone and just get lost in whatever's on screen. And that's really what it's all about, right? Creating an experience that draws you in, makes you forget about everything else. And in that regard, the Sony X77L absolutely delivers. But hey, no product is perfect, right? So while the picture quality on this TV is top-notch, there are a couple of things you should be aware of before you hit that buy button. We'll dive into those right after the break. Okay, we're back. And as much as I hate to say it, there's one area where the Sony X77L falls a little short, the sound. Now, don't get me wrong, the built-in speakers aren't terrible. They get the job done for casual viewing, but they lack the power and clarity you'd expect from a TV of this caliber. I mean, you've got this massive 75-inch screen delivering stunning visuals, but the audio just doesn't quite keep up. It's like having a sports car with a sputtering engine. You're still gonna get where you need to go, but it's not gonna be the most exhilarating ride. Specifically, the bass response is a bit lacking. So, if you're watching action movies with explosions or listening to music with heavy bass lines, you might find the audio a bit underwhelming. The dialogue can also get a little lost in the mix, especially during scenes with a lot of background noise. Now I know what you're thinking, MKBHD, you always complain about TV speakers, just get a soundbar. And you're right, a dedicated soundbar or surround sound system will definitely elevate the audio experience. But here's the thing, when you're dropping $800 on a TV, you kinda hope the built-in audio would be a bit more impressive. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something to keep in mind. If you're someone who prioritizes audio quality, you'll definitely want to factor in the cost of a separate sound system. But hey, let's not dwell on the negatives. This TV has a lot more to offer. So let's move on to some of its other features, starting with that glorious 4K resolution. We'll be right back after this. Alright, let's talk 4K UHD. Now, I know we touched on this earlier, but it's worth diving a little deeper. 4K resolution refers to the number of pixels on the screen. We're talking about 3,840 pixels horizontally and 2,160 pixels vertically, which adds up to over 8 million pixels in total. That's 4 times the resolution of your standard 1080p full HD TV. What does all that mean for you? In a word, detail. With 4K, you're getting sharper images, finer details, and an overall more immersive viewing experience. Think of it like looking through a window. A 1080p TV is like looking through a regular window, while a 4K TV is like looking through a perfectly clean high-definition window. You're seeing everything with greater clarity and precision, but the real magic of 4K comes alive when you pair it with HDR, or high dynamic range. HDR allows for a wider range of colors and brightness levels, resulting in more realistic and lifelike images. Highlights are brighter, shadows are darker, and colors are more vibrant and nuanced. It's like the difference between looking at a postcard and actually being there in person. Now, the availability of 4K content has exploded in recent years. Streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, and Disney Plus all offer a vast library of 4K HDR content. And let's not forget about gaming. The PlayStation 5 and Xbox Series X are both capable of outputting stunning 4K visuals at high frame rates. So if you're looking for the sharpest, most immersive viewing experience possible, 4K UHD is the way to go. And the Sony X77L delivers that experience in spades. But 4K is just one piece of the puzzle. This TV is also packing some serious smarts. We're talking about Google TV, and trust me, it's about to change the way you interact with your entertainment. Stick around, we'll be right back. Alright, let's talk smart features. The Sony X77L comes equipped with Google TV, and let me tell you, it's a game changer. We're not talking about your average clunky smart TV interface here. Google TV is a full-fledged entertainment hub, seamlessly integrating your favorite streaming services, live TV, and even your Google Assistant. Think of it like this. Google TV takes all the content you love from apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney Plus, Hulu, and countless others, and puts it all in one convenient location. No more jumping between different inputs or digging through menus, just pure, unadulterated entertainment at your fingertips. But it gets even better. Google TV uses the power of Google's algorithms to personalize your recommendations. It learns your viewing habits and suggests content you'll actually enjoy. So, whether you're in the mood for a heart-pumping action flick or a thought-provoking documentary, Google TV has got you covered. And if you're ever feeling overwhelmed by the sheer volume of content, you can always use the voice search function. Just press the microphone button on the remote and say what you're looking for. It's incredibly intuitive and makes finding exactly what you want to watch an absolute breeze. But wait, there's more. Google TV also integrates seamlessly with your other Google devices. You can control your TV with your Google Assistant speaker, cast content from your phone or laptop, and even use your TV as a giant digital photo frame. The possibilities are truly endless. Google TV elevates the Sony X77L from a simple TV to a fully integrated entertainment hub. It's the kind of smart TV experience that makes you wonder how you ever lived without it. But we're not done yet. Let's talk about the tech behind those stunning visuals. Up next, we're breaking down LED technology and why it matters. Don't touch that remote, we'll be right back. Alright, we've talked about the picture quality, the smart features, but what about the tech that makes it all possible? The Sony X77L uses LED or light-emitting diode technology for its backlight. Now I know what you're thinking, MKBHD, you're losing me with these technical terms, but trust me, this one's important. See, the backlight is what illuminates the pixels on your TV screen, and it plays a crucial role in determining the overall picture quality. LED backlights are known for their energy efficiency, slim profile, and ability to produce bright, vibrant images. Compared to older LCD technology, LED TVs offer superior black levels, better contrast, and a wider color gamut. This means you're getting deeper blacks, brighter whites, and more lifelike colors. It's like the difference between looking at a faded photograph and a high-definition print. Now there are different types of LED backlighting, but the Sony X77L uses a technology called direct lit LED. This means the LEDs are placed directly behind the screen, providing even illumination across the entire display. This results in a brighter, more uniform picture with minimal light bleed. And because LEDs are so energy efficient, the X77L consumes less power than traditional LCD TVs, saving you money on your energy bill in the long run. It's a win-win. So while you might not see the LEDs themselves, they play a crucial role in delivering the stunning visuals that this TV is known for. It's the engine under the hood, powering the immersive viewing experience that you get with the Sony X77L. And there you have it, folks, that's the Sony X77L in all its glory. Now the big question, is it worth your hard-earned cash? Let's wrap things up with our final thoughts. So there you have it, the Sony 75-inch class X77L LED 4K UHD Smart Google TV offers stunning visuals, smart features, and great value for money. The 4K resolution paired with HDR delivers an incredibly immersive viewing experience, and Google TV transforms this TV into a full-fledged entertainment hub. While the sound quality could be better, it's not a deal-breaker, especially considering the impressive overall package. Don't miss out on this fantastic deal. Check it out now.